Today, we're going to explore the incredible Mont Saint Michel. So, you may have seen pictures of this before and wondered where it's at. It's out in the Normandy area of France. It's about a 4-hour drive from Paris, or you can take the train there as well. I'm going to link the Normandy tourism site. That's where this incredible photo came from, but there's tons of information on there. Apparently, in the summer, they do a night show, so if you're visiting Europe in the summer, definitely add this to your list. There is a man-made road and a boardwalk now to the castle, but back in the old days, if the tide was high, you just couldn't access it. That's what makes this place so cool. You can either take a bus or you can walk it the entire way. There were even some people that were riding bikes that looked fun too. This place just reminds me of something that you would see in a medieval movie for sure. There's several restaurants and shops right when you come in, but the main thing to see is called the Abbey, and that is the chapel and the church that is at the very top of the island. So you just start working your way up the stairs. We did get pooped on by a bird while we were looking at the water, so that was my favorite part of the day or the experience, but they claim that that's good luck. We're gonna go with that. They started building this thing in 708, which is just hard to comprehend how they constructed this in the middle of the ocean and just built a straight up chapel on top of an island.
Get everyone. You guys, everyone come right here. I'm just doing it.
I'm gonna leave this in here just for the pure entertainment of my friend group and us trying to get a group photo.
I think we're too far away. I don't know. Yeah, and then we're going to
And now back to the Abbey. It is beautiful. I still just never understand how they made things like this so long ago. This garden area was by far my favorite. I have not seen anything like this, at least this intricate of detail of other churches or castles that I've been to in Europe. There are only about 50 people that live on the island. You can stay there at night, although I do think it might be a little boring, except for maybe that light show in the summer. That would be cool to stay for. After leaving the castle, we went on a quest with our friend Ben to find a famous photography location, which resulted in this photo. And this one. That windy creek bed does have water in it some of the time. Of course, the fog kind of rolled in, so it was a little difficult to see it in the background, but you can still see the gist of it back there. And we kind of had a magical travel moment happen. When we rolled up is right when the farmers decided to move the sheep to a different area, and so we got to be there and witness that. It honestly felt like we were more in Scotland or Ireland, but it was such a cool experience watching hundreds of sheep go across the road with the castle in the background. So pretty. Also, note that once those sheep had all moved out, those are the gates that you can go through in order to get up to that windy river. Well, that sums up our day at Mont Saint Michel. I hope that you have an opportunity to visit this place as well.